Hello everyone, my name is Maruti GV, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. Today, I am going to cover one of the important designing technique, that is surface modeling. Then what is surface modeling? Surface modeling is the process of designing the outer shape or skin of a part using zero thickness surfaces. See, when we talk about designing, the first picture comes to our mind is what? Solid modeling. But there are shapes which we can't design it by using solid modeling. At that time, we will fully focus on surface modeling. The surface modelings are mainly used when we want to design a very smooth, organic, and aerodynamic shapes. One best example, uh, the surface modeling technique, which is mainly used when we go for consumer products like earphones, bottles, car bodies, right? See, when our intention is to go for consumer products, at that time we need to focus on look and feel, right? These are the two things which impresses that customer to buy that particular product. In that direction, if you want to design the product, the surface modeling plays very important role. If you observe in this slide here, see a simple earphone design and a water bottle and car has been shown. You can observe these type of the curvy shapes, shiny shapes, which you can't get it by using solid modeling. At that time, we will go for surface modeling. Then, when our intention is to go for ergonomic parts, so ergonomic parts means what? These are the components or products which are mainly designed for human comfort. Okay. See here in the slide you can observe a gripper design. Right. A gripper is mainly used to provide human comfort to hold the things. Right. Like that in previous I have shown you another example, that is earbuds. See, we need to design an earbud such that it should provide comfort when it has been inserted to our ear, right? It should not feel some uncomfortness. At that time, we need to design. We are not worried about dimension. We are worried about particularly shape, right? That should provide human comfort. Then, if you go for modeling of aerodynamic surfaces in automobile and aerospace industries, at that time, the surface modeling plays very important role, right? Here, see aerodynamic shapes. See, shapes are what? These are the smooth, streamlined forms which are mainly created to reduce air resistances and allowing the objects to move more efficiently through air, right? The best examples I already kept it in my side. That is the nose cone of a aeroplane, right? The air can easily passes through the surface. Then the curved shape of a car's body, that is mainly designed to reduce wind resistance, right? Then the other best example for surface modeling is building a complex plastic enclosures, casings, or shells. See, when you go for electronic production at that time, all those the small electronic components, all those things are what they are protected by outer covering, and that outer covering should be light and it should have some attractive shape. So it will be built by using surface modeling. Then another best example for surface modeling is what you can observe on this slide. That is a trimmer outer body part. See, if you observe that a trimmer, the outer body part is mainly made by this surface modeling technique. The main thing is what here to provide some good looking shape. Then another example is what here a air dryer, right? That air dryer, all the electronic the equipments will be inside that dryer, and that outer body part is there, na? That is made up of surface modeling, and that outer body part it should be what? It should be very light, right? And it should have some attractive shape. After this, we should know what is the difference between solid modeling and surface modeling. So when it comes to solid modeling, these are the closed volume with mass. Means when you design any shapes by using solid modeling, inside which there will be mass. But when it comes to surface modeling, These are the thin skin which is having no thickness. See, when you design anything by using surface modeling, inside that design there will not be any mass. Okay. Then the solid modeling is good for the prismatic parts, and surface modeling is what good for preform shape. Now, what is prismatic parts? See, prismatic means for these are the components which are having a simple straight edge shapes. Usually, in order to create these prismatic parts, we'll go for simple sketches like rectangles, squares, circle, and they are extended along a what? A straight path. But when it comes to free form, these are the what? Some irregular, some complicated and organic shapes, okay, without strict geometry rules. Okay. Here, what will happen in case of this free forms? No? See, in order to create free forms, we are making use of smooth curves, complex contours, and asymmetric profiles. Okay. That are often inspired by some natural and ergonomic needs. Okay. And when it comes to solid modeling, they are very easy to 3D print since they have the mass. We can directly go for 3D printing. But when it comes to surface modeling, after finishing of designing, always we should add some thickness. Okay. After adding thickness only, we can go for the manufacturing. Okay. Yeah. This is all about the theoretical part, what we should know when it comes to the surface modeling. Now, we will go for designing of this earbuds, okay, by making use of this surface modeling technique. And here I'm going to make use of the advanced software that is Autodesk Fusion. Okay, now we'll explain step by step the procedure, how to make designing and also how to add a good look for whatever the products we are going to design. Okay, thank you.